Hello, in this video I want to show you how to play Path of Exile on your Android smartphone, basically anywhere. And to do this you will need to get a GeForce Now app on your smartphone. You can download it from Google Play Store or on most of the stores in any device. So let's go for the Google Play Store. Right here look for NVIDIA GeForce Now. It's right here, simply install it. When it's ready, click on the open. You probably need to sign into GeForce account. But when it's ready, click on the search right here and find Path of Exile. Then click on it. It is recommended to play this game with a gamepad, but you can also go without it, and I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Let's restart the app because I think something is broken. So with the gamepad, click on continue and it should launch your game. There might be a queue for available PCs, so just wait through that. So right after our queue is finished, we can sign into our Steam account because it's the most recommended way to do it. There's also option to log in using your Epic Games account. In this case, I'm going for Steam. So there's this toolbar right here. We have a keyboard that we can use by clicking right there and a gamepad right here. Now I'm gonna go with a keyboard and log into my account real quick. And right after we log in, we can see Path of Exile, so click on it. Then go through this configuration. If you have a gamepad connected, you'll be able to use your gamepad right here. Now let's log in. And let's play. Now we can see the game is fully functional and we can call out our gamepad to move around. Or if you need to use your keyboard, you can always click right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.